You know what? Keep going. Hello there. Welcome back. Back with this guy trying to figure out how to start a circular knitting machine. I did print a basket of hooks. The idea with this is you stick a weight in the middle. You hook each of these to each of these so that you have a starting thread, and then put some weight in there to pull it down. I've clamped a block of wood under there so this can actually slop right in. Whether or not this works reasonably is another question. I only put these on hinges so that I could print it all flat and fold it up. We'll probably do some refine on this design, but yeah, I like to capture the first try so that hopefully if you're doing the first try of something, you don't get discouraged, then it doesn't work perfectly immediately. And who knows, maybe we'll get lucky. Sort of working how I was wanting. Something would flop over and fill the sides. Let me see if I can get a ball in there without ruining that. They want to hug the ball. So these are very lightweight. This is a solid steel ball bearing. These are just red, some kind of rock. Mainly used for hand exercises is why I have them. These I think are too big. Well, we're going to try that. I'm going to bring you guys in close, get some better video of trying to figure it out. I'm going to try starting it with different colored thread from what I'm going to be running in it so we can see the difference. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. But likely to be do some fast motion and a voiceover if it's working at all. With 1,000 lies and a good disguise. This right here is what we're looking for. This loop is on the outside, this is on the inside. As I rotate this, look, ugh. This is starting to knit. It is working. Lost a loop here though. So the tension here is good. I think the tension needs to be higher overall. Getting good knitting over here, but where it was not quite tight enough, it's not going at all. It's knitting over here, like you can see good stitches. Of course, it's good for the camera, not good for anything else. Alright, I'm gonna keep trying to figure this out. We'll get there eventually. But I think about half-hour chunks is about as good as I'm good for today. Today is now tomorrow. I took pity on myself, got a commercial machine, and in fact read the instructions. The shame. Doesn't seem like it was missing a heck of a lot, and the instructions are pretty rudimentary. But you throw the picture up there. Every other hook, not every hook, can go the right direction. So to start it, hook this black guy. Still probably not doing this 100% right, but so going behind this hook, and in front of this hook, and that one in front of this one, behind in front, behind in front. I'm going to take this and stick it in the feeder. Now the feeder on mine doesn't have the ability to stick the thread in later. That could be a problem. But with that, it actually works. Who'd have thunk? I also noticed these hooks don't have any moving parts. I think they made a better, more clever geometry. So I'm kind of debating replicating this in CAD, and well, it's also a lot easier to work and to mess with something when there's, I think, 24 hooks on this, and they're a lot bigger for my big fingers. So we know the concept works. This isn't a futile pursuit. We're going to have to retrench on this project a bit, and I think I'm going to come back to it. You ever get frustrated on a project? Don't quit, but don't keep banging your head against the wall. I'm going to let this sit for a bit, get back to some of the belt printing, get back to some of the 3D printers, and get her sorted out. Anyways, thanks for watching. Happy printing.